Awesome, man. Good stuff. Snowman. Look at the state of your snow. You go to Snowman. Made an effort, everyone, to dress up for the Christmas run. I can catch him. There he is! Santa! He loves them jumps. Right, so this is a result of riding it full send.
Full Santa mode.
Full Santa mode.
I don't know, I was just flying with Roy and then all of a sudden, you know, we came over like a small hill and there was a freaking ditch in it.
Alright, you lovely lot, ladies and gents, it's me, Carly. Welcome to another motovlog video on What Adventures, and this is a special community ride this time because it's the place that we usually ride from are hosting a competition for Christmas, the best dress. So we got Snowman, Santa Claus on a rally bike, and me with my elf antlers and some weird little skirt thing. It's a laugh, everyone kind of dresses up for this time of the year, so it'll be good fun. There's a competition for the best dress afterwards. So by the time you're probably watching this, it's in the new year already because I already put a vlog up for the Christmas video before this. So happy new year, you guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoy the content and follow us riding. I'll see you out there. There we go. Got my reindeer reins. Try and get my goggles on over these now. It's gonna be a mission. Oh, it works. Yeah. Nice and stuck on, good. Awesome, man. What is this?
My toes here, the think is enough.
It's best to top it up, bro. That is very sexy indeed. Elf green, quite fitting for the festive season. Snowman! Yeah. You stuck that on there good. Yeah.
Already came off the original.
Put your goggle strap over the top of it. Yeah, come here. Yeah.
Shit, there's a bit of a drag on my head.
You go to Snowman. Made effort, everyone, to dress up for the Christmas run. Merry Christmas, you lovely lot. We're all dressing up for this Christmas run. Snowman, Hugo over there, so yeah, it's gonna be an awesome one.
You also should.
This is quite a big group, bigger than I was expecting for the Christmas run. I'm very much looking forward to the new year. I got some new bike stuff that I want to review and show you guys in a video. Plus there's these steg pegs that I've got that stop my feet from like moving back too much. Great for tall riders. Really good for tall riders actually. It's helped me have a lot more control over the dunes and of the bike rather than the bike controlling me so much. And I got a nice graphics kit coming with new black plastics. I'm going to show you, I've been collaborating with Rival Ink in Australia to put a really dope design together that I really like. Come on, keep up you lot. So let me know in the comments of this video, what did you get for Christmas? What did you want that you didn't get as well? Now, don't be ungrateful. Awesome that Hugo dressed up as a snowman. I think that's freaking ace. Oh, there's some big drops here. Nice jumps. Yes, please. Yeah, flick that roost up. Thrust. Way up. I think this lot are going very fast for a Christmas run. I'm struggling to keep up. I don't know about you lot. You lot are as well by the looks of it. Come now, come now. There we go. That's some big, some big roosting going on. And I, like an amateur, stalled. You guys see my bike decorations, my little Santa hat. A little Santa hat on my back mud flap. I don't know which way everyone went, but it looked like this way. Oh, they're all the way up there. Well, I never. And then there's a road. Guy. He loves them jumps.
It's like below him.
One more.
Fucking hell.
I got to touch the underneath of your bike. Well, that was a nice that was a yeah? Can't even speak. That was a nice fast ride. Lots of jumps, very controlled. Loving these. Good old stegs. How's your snow? Making you go faster?
Hot, very hot.
All this while, I was talking about Santa delivering your presents on a rally bike, and I didn't know it was Tim. Up until the point where he showed us the damage he just done, full send into a ditch. Apparently I was told your bike somersaulted that way and you somersaulted that way. Well, yeah, at least you're safe. Yeah, well, you're riding it, that's insane. Right, so this is a result of riding it full send.
Full Santa mode.
Full Santa mode. Is that your doing?
Huh?
Is that your doing?
Yeah.
How'd it happen?
Yeah, I don't know. I was just flying with Roy, and then all of a sudden, you know, we came over like a small hill, and there was a freaking ditch in it.
And it did that.
Panic went in, threw me over. I flew like 3 meters away, and then I came back to this.
Little Santa Claus on the front, Santa Claus on the back. I've got my little apron skirt thing, and if you're seeing the reflection there, you can see my reindeer antlers. Yeah, so there's my festive spirit for my bike. Don't know how that stayed on there. And after 3, Merry Christmas. 1, 2, 3. Merry Christmas! I'll see you later.
Like and subscribe. Make sure to leave a comment.
Subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Hey. Right, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give us a like. Happy New Year again. Hope you liked the outfits we were wearing. It's pretty funny. If you enjoyed this content, share it around. Click the like button because it really helps get my video out there to more people. Share it with the community. Subscribe if you're new here because I'll be posting more content like this. And if there's any videos you'd like me to cover or any particular topic, riding, places you want me to go, check out, stuff you want to see, hit me up in the comments. I'll try to make something, and if you can support me on my Patreon to help me create more content like this, that you'll be awesome. If not, I'm going to keep creating it anyway, and you can enjoy the free content. So that's it for me. See you guys in the next video. Have a great start to the new year. Peace. Tell everyone how you rode that back through the dunes.
Put the hand guard against my knee, just cruising days, like one hand. Like a Sunday stroll, you know?
Yeah. Are you feeling alright? You want a painkiller? I got a strong one.
It's not too bad. It's only like certain ways that I use.